Hi everybody, Pat here at Triple T Realty. Today I wanted to show you a little bit about the finishes and the designs of the homes here in Del Webb Sunbridge. So today I'm going to look a little bit about what is available and the fantastic finishes that are available here in Del Webb Sunbridge. One of the things I like most about all of the models, whether they are the duplex or a granddaddy 3,500 square foot home, is the open concept. The common areas or the family areas are all open, light and bright, with lots of windows and lots of space to enjoy the time if it's just the two of you, or having friends over for cocktails in the evening, or to have the children and the grandchildren come to visit. One of the things very specifically that I like are the large kitchen islands that you can find in virtually every model here. There are some options for some to be bigger or smaller, making all of this the perfect place to get together with friends, family, children, grandchildren. The finishes in these homes are lovely. There are lots of opportunities to upgrade, but even at the base level, they have beautiful tile, even luxury vinyl if you choose for your flooring. There's a choice of either granite or quartz countertops for your kitchen and your bathroom areas. You can truly make these homes your own. Lots of LED lighting comes standard in the ceilings, but there's always opportunities for you to add more, along with pendant light pre-wires so that you can truly make these homes your own. All of the views are absolutely stunning. You're going to have your choice of a conservation view that has a park-like setting, a water view, and even the backyards on the main thoroughfare are absolutely lovely with the landscaping that they have provided. There are so many choices here at Del Webb Sunbridge. We hope you'll give us a call. Love to give you a personal tour and show you all around Del Webb Sunbridge.